All right, guys, welcome in, welcome back. We're cooking a turkey, right? It's Thanksgiving or the holidays are coming up. And guys, this is what we got. We got onions, we got parsley, we got carrots, we got celery, we got butter, we got our complete seasoning. We're using this butter injection from Tony Chachere's. And guys, we're doing an oven bag. Yep, we're gonna make this good and juicy. All right, guys, real quick. This turkey is already brined, right? So there's no reason, there's no need for us to brine it again. I guess if you wanted to add extra flavor, but to me that might just change the texture of the turkey. So be careful with brining or rebrining your turkey. So we're just gonna inject it with some flavor. That's it. All right, guys, I'm gonna go ahead and get this all chopped up and I'll bring you guys right back. All right, guys, so we have our turkey. Now, there's a few things you want to make sure you remember. You're going to remove this plastic. Now, I remember one year I did cook a turkey with this on it, and it was fine. But you do want to remove it, right? It should be tucked up underneath here, so you really have to get in there and get it out. So let's just remove our turkey neck. Make gravy out of that. It's inside the back here. And boom, it just comes right out. Okay. And with our giblet bag, put that on the side here. And guys, I'm going to wash this up and I'll be right back. All right, guys, I'm going to use the Tony Chachere's. I'm going to start injecting this. I'm leaving it in here so we don't spill anything everywhere. And it's easy, guys. I'm just going to show you real quick. What I like to do is I like to go in one spot so we don't put too many holes and fill. You'll see it bubble up. And then maybe go down, fill, bubbles up. Go this way, same thing. Turn this over, let's get the thigh. Same thing, one spot. Fill to another spot, fill. All right, guys, I'm gonna do the same thing here in the breast. Go in one spot, like right there here in the center, fill. Come back out, go down here, fill. You guys get the picture, right? And I'm gonna do that to the whole bird, get injection everywhere, and then I'll bring you guys back. All right, guys, so real quick, let's just get rid of some of the skin and stuff here that we don't want to keep, right? Nobody wants to eat that. All right, guys, sometimes, everybody does what they want to do with the butt part right here, this little part here. I'm going to leave it because it's going to add flavor to our gravy. So I'm not going to remove it. You guys, the rest of this is really easy. I'm going to go in with some onions. Right inside the cavity here, some celery. Guys, all of this is going to perfume inside the bird here. Celery, put some carrots. I'm going to stick some parsley inside. Real quick, let me just get this garlic crushed. All right, guys, so going without garlic, right? Just stuff them inside there. 3 or 4 cloves. Doesn't have to be that many. These are small ones, so I went like with about 5 of them. And then I'm just going to shake a little bit of complete seasoning down in here. Okay, so now I'm going to dry this outside of the skin as much as I can. Don't forget we got some of that butter injection oozing out a little bit. Not so worried much about the bottom of the turkey. So that is probably going to be sitting in juices. Right, so I do have a stick of butter here, right? Right, butter's not super soft, I mean, but it's soft enough that I can squeeze it, right? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put some complete seasoning. Put some more complete seasoning inside there, right? And just give this a nice squeeze and a rub. All that seasoning in the butter. Because on top of the injection, we're also going to put some of this butter under the skin. And we're just going to lift the skin up. Try not to break it, right? Because we're going to have a nice pretty bird. Not to break the skin. Or rip the skin, I should say. And we're just going to stick this butter in there. Hey, can you guys see that? Just going to stick the butter in. And let me turn this around. Going to kind of self-baste itself, right? Get it up underneath the skin here. See if we can get some of it down and around the thigh. Man, let's get in there a little further. All right, we got that butter in there. Let's get some more down there. Okay, just move it around, see? All right, that butter's sitting there. I'm gonna do the same thing on this other side. All right, guys, you get the idea, right? So we got it filled with, we're gonna fill this up with butter. We might as well put some butter on the inside here too, right? All right, guys, so you get the idea. I'm gonna finish filling this up with butter. And I'll bring you guys back. All right, guys. Just want to give you a close-up shot. See how I got that butter in there? Butter's there. Butter's in the leg here. So we got the injection in the meat. We got butter that's going to self-baste itself inside the turkey, right? And now we got to get ready for the bag. So, guys, I put 1 tablespoon, maybe just a little bit more, inside this turkey bag. And you just got to give it a nice shake. That's what the instructions say, right? Give the bag a nice shake. And it looks something like this. So now we're going to put the turkey on the inside. Come on. No troubles. Get rid of this. All right, guys, so we got our bag, right? Hold up. Now, you know what I didn't do? We didn't put our turkey wings back, right? Got to put our wings back underneath the bird. And then we got to truss the legs. I make my lot like this and then do a loop and then through and have a hole. Wrap it around. Pull it through and then just pull the legs tight. Pull it lace tight. And then we just go ahead and pull this tight. That's it. A little bit of olive oil. And then some complete seasoning, not too much. Guys, and I'm just going to put some more complete seasoning down in the side of the bag here. You know, guys, I'm going to try something different this year. I'm going to put the turkey neck in the bag here. Stick it in there. Right, and now we're just going to close this bag up. Comes with a little zip tie. And then we got to cut, it says cut six holes in it, right? I'm just going to cut 3. 1, 2, and I'll put 1 here for 3. Now we're going to put our probe for our thermometer, and we're just going to put it in the breast. We want to get this to like 165. So this is almost a 12-pound bird. So this probably should take us about 2.5, 3 hours, right? In the bag is going to be a little bit quicker, so it might be closer to 2. So guys, I'm taking this outside to the Traeger, outside on the pellet grill, but you at this point, you just take it and stick it in your oven. So this is more of an experiment to see what the Traeger does, right? So, you know, because come Thanksgiving, it's going to be a premium space inside that oven. So, you know, the turkey is usually the last thing to go in. So, all right, so this is going outside. All right, guys, so we're out at the Traeger, and this is just going in our aluminum foil pan. Ooh, that's hot. Ooh, that is hot, guys. I don't want any juices that come out of here to spill. So, guys, 350 for about 2 hours. Let's close this down. All right, guys, so let's put our probe in. Yes, we want to be warmed at about 155 or so, right? Confirm. All right, so it's going to let us know we're 44 degrees right now, and we'll be back. All right, guys, let's take a quick look. We have 155 now. Still don't have much color on this. Starting to get a little, but we still got another 10 degrees to go or so. But it's starting to rain. I might pull this inside. All right, guys, it's really starting to come down out here. As we're just starting to get some color. What I'm going to do is I'm going to check for temperature, and I might have to bring this in the house because I don't want to get my camera wet. So, be right back. We're at 165 too. We're at 165 now. All right, guys, here we go. Let's bring this baby up. There we go, guys. This is our turkey. It's done. Get a bit of better lighting on this. That's it, guys. Now, we did bring it inside and pull it into the oven. We did get the bag, did stick to the turkey on this side. But other than that, guys, this is done. Now, one of the downfalls of cooking in the bag is the bottom of your turkey will wind up in a lot of juice. But other than that, guys, this is what we got. All right, guys, we're going to let this cool down, and then we'll cut into it. All right, guys, so we're back, right? We're done. Chicken is cooled down just a little bit, right? Now, guys, when you're cooking in the bag, there's going to be a ton of juice down here, right? So the first 2 hours and 45 minutes, I did it outside on the grill. Then I brought it inside the house and I opened up the bag to brown it up a little bit. The last time I used the bag, it came out brown just fine. So I'm going to move this to our cutting board. Here's our turkey neck, and here's all our juices, and our carrots are nice and soft. All right, guys, don't throw this away, right? Because this is good stuff for gravy. We're gonna actually use this tonight and make some gravy. All right, guys, so let's get the slicing. See what this looks like. I'm gonna turn it this way so you guys can see what's going on. I'm gonna go down. I'm gonna take, let's get this, hold on. Get the string off. All right, guys, let's see if we can get this off nice and easy. And we do. And let's go down. And let's see what we get. Our slices look like on the breast. Guys, this looks nice and moist. Look at that. That's what this bag does, right? It makes everything nice and moist. All right, guys, I don't know if you could see how juicy that is, but it is juicy. So let's just go ahead and take a bite of this. You can taste all the celery and everything just perfumes the meat. Guys, I'm a dark meat. All right, guys. That's this. I'm gonna go ahead and finish cutting this up. I mean, it's just falling apart. All right, guys, please like and subscribe. This is a really good way to make a turkey inside that bag. It's almost foolproof. I actually probably overcooked it a little bit because I went to like what, 180 something. That's a little high. All right, guys, thanks for watching. Everyday cooking, Dad, cooking every single day. Take a look at some of these other recipes and let's get cooking.